Today, braised pork rib with soy sauce and sugar. But first, a little preview of what we're going to get into, and then we'll get right to it.
I'll leave the ingredients and the how-to at the end of this video, as well as in the description below. To start, you're going to need a few things. 2 pounds of pork rib, a few slices of ginger, a couple pieces of star anise, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Yes, it is different than regular soy sauce. 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce. The regular stuff will do just fine. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 4 tablespoons of Chinese vinegar, and use Chinese vinegar. It's less acidic than white balsamic and red vinegars. First, cut the ribs into small pieces. Usually about 1 bone per piece should do. Season your wok with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger and then the rib. Now I should have added my ginger first to season the wok, but what are you gonna do? Braise for about 5 minutes or until the ribs are brown all over. And then add your cup of water. Next, you're going to add in all other ingredients. Mix, cover, and lower your heat to a simmer. You're going to want to let this simmer for at least an hour and a half. And if there's any excess water left over, you can just increase the heat and boil it away. Personally, I like to have a little bit more sauce than what's traditionally served. That's it. Pretty simple. Add it with some rice and some veggies. There, my friends, you have a very delicious meal. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Until next time, stay relaxed and keep on living.